how to fix Facebook page isn't available right now option. So whether you are using iPhone or Android, if you face such issues on your Facebook, so first thing what you can do is just make sure you have strong internet connection. So once you make sure that or verify that you have a strong network connection, then head over to next step, that is simply head over to Play Store and just search in for Facebook. So once you search in for Facebook, just make sure your app or your application is up to date to its latest update. So once you confirm that as well, so the third step what you can do is simply come to your settings. So once inside your settings on your device, scroll all the way down until you see the apps. Just tap on this and basically locate the Facebook application from over here. So just tap on this once again and scroll down and click on storage option and simply clear all the cache and clear all the data. So you want to do all of that, you may have to re-log in with your login credentials, and once you do all of that, your issue should be fixed successfully. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.